Anna set the scratch and the makey-makey task. It was presented simply with a minimal amount of information on how to execute. Penance, 1999.
Expert knowledge was identified in the group, but not essential. We cooperated because we felt committed to the task. That became collaboration when we found ourselves in the learning pit and we overcame obstacles by creating new shared knowledge. Brufi, 1995.
A social contract came from the sharing of materials. No one person dominated the task or took a leadership role, and there was a horizontal division of labour. Dillenburg, 1999.